I think I just created one of the best dishes I've ever made. I went to Costco and I bought some veggies. I bought a big bag of zucchinis and a big bag of these sweet little peppers. And I also had shrimp in the freezer. So I was like, what can I do with these zucchini and peppers? Fajitas. But I didn't have fajita seasoning. So I looked up fajita seasoning from scratch, and you know what? This came out like restaurant quality. So for this dish, I'm making for two. I'm using two zucchinis, a big handful of the sweet peppers, or I guess it's like equivalent to like two bell peppers. And here I have about a pound of shrimp. For my seasoning, I'm gonna start with lemon, salt, lime salt, and a ton of Old Bay seasoning. As for the shrimp, then I remembered I also have Cajun seasoning that I got in Texas. And well, this is mostly salt. So maybe I should have skipped the lime salt, but it's okay. For next time, I know. I wanted the zucchini to match the peppers. So I'm cutting stripes of zucchini downwards and then onto the sides. So we get like nice stripes. And then I'm gonna cut I was gonna say bell peppers, but these are not bell peppers. The little peppers, whatever peppers you have in the fridge laying around, and also like stripes kinda to resemble fajitas. You know what? Since I've started taking this cooking channel seriously, I've been baking a lot more and I've been putting on weight very fast. So I think I need to turn to healthy eating like ASAP. So this recipe is very low calorie and on the healthy side. It's basically keto. Yeah, I mean, I know the peppers are not keto, but it's very, very close, very low calorie. So low carb, low calorie. And I cut my zucchinis in half because I felt like the stripes were a little too long, but here they are. And for the fajitas seasoning, here's my olive oil. I tried to like be cool and like squish away the top, but it didn't work. Anyways, so fajita seasoning, garlic, and lots of it. And then this is oregano. Yeah, I tried to see if those hacks that you can like swoosh it around on top and it will help to release more seasoning, but it didn't really work. So just shaking it worked just as fine. Smoked paprika. This is gonna give that nice red coloring and a little bit of smokiness. Thyme. Ooh, it smells so good. Yes, thyme. And two big pinches of cumin. Cumin is essential in Mexican food. If you're eating chili and you know that chili flavoring, it's cumin. Nutmeg. You can get nutmeg powdered. That's pre powdered. I like to use fresh nutmeg. It's so much more fragrant and it lasts longer. I'm shaving down about two smaller pinches, and then for salt, a big pinch of salt. Mix it all together, and my shrimp has been marinating at this time for at least half an hour, so it absorbs all those flavoring from the Cajun and the Old Bay seasoning. It smells like fajitas, so it really worked. Onto my baking sheet, parchment paper. I'm gonna bake this at 380 for about 25-30 minutes. I just keep an eye on it while it's like brown. I always and only cook my shrimp with butter. So 2 small squares of butter and shrimp in hot pan is the key for it to like cook fast and nicely. If your pan is not hot enough, it's gonna take longer to cook, because especially if you just took the shrimp out of the fridge, if you put cold shrimp into your hot pan, it's gonna cool the pan down, so you need the pan to be hot. These shrimps are wild caught shrimp from Costco, and I was like actually very surprised that it didn't release any water. That's great. I still have some minutes on my baking for the peppers and zucchini, so I'm mixing it up a little bit just so anything that's been hiding under something cooks nicely and gets a little golden on the outside. I'm putting half of it on the plate because I am making this for two, and if my calculation is correct, for the 2 plates, it costed about maybe $6, maybe $7 for 2 plates, chopping some cilantro to make it aesthetic. Yeah. Oh my God. This is one of the best things I've ever made. I don't know if it's the shrimp or the seasoning, but it came out so good and so healthy. Like, this is making me feel good. I didn't feel like heavy after eating it, and it is like high-end Mexican restaurant quality. So good. And fajita seasoning is so easy to make. Like, it was just basic seasoning. I'm looking forward to making this again, probably very, very soon. Enjoy.